I'll show you the dark side.
Come on. Hey, come on. Come on, louder. One time, one time. You like it? Let's go, baby! Ah, I love it. What is good, dudes? You're about to join me on a little trip out to a shop that I originally went to on my CB650 to get the catalytic converter and the exhaust removed. These guys sell incredible fake exhausts, or what some might consider eBay exhausts. Yes, I think it's dumb. I have a $20,000 motorcycle that I'm not willing to get a nice exhaust on, but I'm not spending $2,000 on an exhaust system, bro. It's a piece of metal. My plan is I'm gonna get the catalytic converter removed, get the stock exhaust removed, put a nice slip-on directly to the header pipe, so like a little combustion pipe, and then from there tomorrow I'm gonna head out to QC, or Saturday I'm gonna head out to QC and do a full ECU dyno run. Sorely need to get gas, dude. I'm low. This is the perk of riding a superbike in the Philippines, and this is Angeles, and it's about noon, so kids are starting to get out of school, so there's jeepneys everywhere. Honestly, this might just be a video in and of itself, bro. Riding a super bike in traffic, bro. Got some gas. Now we're almost there.
Hey, what's good, dudes? Real Sykes here. I'm gonna quickly superimpose myself abruptly into what is about to be a compilation of these guys being a master of their craft. Unfortunately, I recorded so much of this footage that my camera died, so I didn't actually even get a reaction of my ride home, but I immediately went to the gym after this and was able to recharge my battery, and that's the clip that you saw in the beginning of the video. Irregardless of my opinion on if you should go legit or fake, there's a whole video I plan on making about this. I will say that I'm very pleased with how things turned out. They did a fantastic job. All things considered, this cost me 9,500 Philippine pesos with a 500 peso tip, which was optional. They didn't even ask for it, but I think they were super friendly, respectful, and just all around did a good job. They worked with me to design how I wanted the exhaust to look, if I wanted it to be on the side of the bike or underneath it, even down to the curvature of the pipes. So just being able to customize it and work with these guys on that was a really cool experience, and I'm very pleased. So enjoy the compilation. Good job.
What do you think? They did a good job, right? So to start it, you just hold that down.
This?
Yeah. The
Loud?
give it a second to warm up. I think it's already warm, 68C. Give it a second.
It's so loud.
Yeah. Yeah. Can you Bomba?
I don't think shit.
Come on, I want you to Bomba. You don't sit on it? You don't sit on it?
So high.
Careful not to put it in gear.
It's in neutral.
Yeah, that's good. Remember. Come on. Come on. Come on, louder. One time, one time. You like it? Ah! I love you. Let's go, baby!